Hello and welcome to our latest video. In this video, we're going to share with you 20 different ways you can apply Wicca in your everyday life. Wicca is a spiritual practice that emphasizes the connection between humans and nature. It has a rich history and tradition that spans many centuries. But you don't have to be a practicing Wiccan to benefit from the principles and teachings of this ancient tradition. Here are 20 ways to apply Wicca in your everyday life. 1. Connect with nature by taking a walk in the park or forest. 2. Meditate to calm your mind and focus on your intentions. 3. Incorporate herbs and spices into your cooking for their medicinal properties. 4. Use candles to set the mood and enhance your surroundings. 5. Practice divination techniques like tarot or runes to gain insight into your life. 6. Create altars or sacred spaces in your home for reflection and spiritual connection. 7. Use sigils or symbols to manifest your desires and intentions. 8. Develop a regular gratitude practice to appreciate the blessings in your life. 9. Use crystals for healing and energy balancing. 10. Practice mindfulness in your daily activities to stay present and aware. 11. Observe the cycles of the moon to connect with its energy and influence. 12. Create your own rituals for personal healing and transformation. 13. Use essential oils for aromatherapy and mood enhancement. 14. Practice yoga or other forms of movement to connect with your body and spirit. 15. Seek out like-minded individuals for community and support. 16. Use visualization techniques to manifest your goals and desires. 17. Read books and articles on Wiccan teachings and principles to deepen your knowledge. 18. Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine to reprogram your mindset. 19. Practice energy work to clear blockages and balance your chakras. 20. Trust your intuition and follow your inner guidance to live a fulfilling life. And there you have it, 20 different ways you can apply Wicca in your everyday life. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.